Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the infinite loading screen glitch in Borderlands, where we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verify game files integrity. Content launcher platforms game launcher Steam, Epic Games Store it. Look at Borderlands main your library. Find an auction to verify the game files where check for corrupted data. This process will scan your installed game files and automatically replace any corrupted or missing files. This often resolves issues stemming from incomplete or damaged downloads, which are a common cause of infinite loading screens. Allow the process to complete fully before restarting the game.
Step the update graphics drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a frequent culprit behind game glitches. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and or Intel, and download the latest driver specifically designed for your card model and operating system. Completely uninstall your current drivers before installing the new ones to avoid conflicts after installation. Restart your computer and launch Borderlands to see if the infinite loading screen issue persists.
Step check for background applications. Many applications running simultaneously can compete for system resources, leading to performance issues and glitches such as infinite loading screens. Close unnecessary applications and programs running in the background, including browser tabs, streaming services, and other games. This frees up system resources for Borderlands to operate optimally and reduces the chance of encountering loading errors. Consider temporarily disabling non-essential start to programs as well. Step adjust in-game settings. Lowering your in-game graphics settings can significantly improve performance and reduce the likelihood of encountering loading issues. Try reducing settings like texture quality, shadow resolution, and anti-aliasing. Experiment with different graphical presets to find a balance between visual fidelity and performance. Lowering the resolution might also help if the problem persists, even with reduced graphical settings.
Step reinstall Borderlands with content. If all previous steps fail to resolve the infinite loading screen problem, a complete reinstallation of Borderlands might be necessary. Before reinstalling, ensure you have backed up any saved game data you wish to retain. Then you install Borderlands completely from your system. After you installing, restart your computer and reinstall the game from your game launcher. This reinstalls all game files in a clean state, eliminating any lingering corrupted files that might be causing the issue.